Dimensional analysis requires a careful, logical mindset that always tracks units and checks that they cancel correctly to give the desired units. Think of dimensional analysis like a recipe where the units are ingredients and you have to make sure each ingredient fits together. Start by writing the quantity you have with its units. Then write the target units you want to end up with and bridge them with conversion factors set up so unwanted units cancel. Work step by step and only convert one type of unit at a time, like changing centimeters to meters before converting meters to kilometers, and always keep the units visible as you calculate so you can spot mistakes quickly. If a number seems wrong, pause and check which unit did not cancel or which conversion factor was inverted. Students often forget to write units with every number, which makes it easy to lose track and end up with the wrong final unit, so always include units on every line to avoid that problem. Another common mistake is using the wrong conversion factor or flipping it. So read the conversion as a fraction and ask whether the units cancel the way you want before multiplying. A final trap is trying to convert two different kinds of units at once, which confuses the cancellation process. So convert step by step and verify each cancellation as you go. For more videos and resources on careful unit tracking and dimensional analysis, check out www.gumballdegree.com.